it's a little noisy. We're in the Bobcat. I'm going to show you a trick today when you're digging holes. I'm just going to dig this hole regular down, but when I bring it out, you're going to see what's going to happen. At the very top of the hole where everything falls in, I'm actually going to let the auger spin around and pack the top of the hole in. So it's going to be noisy for a sec. I'm going to dig the hole down, and then you're going to see the auger come up, and near the top, you're going to see it bouncing around the top of the hole. And what that's doing is it's packing the top of the hole around, and it's not letting the dirt fall back in. So I don't have anybody here to push the dirt away. So here goes. So that right there is the packing on the top of the hole. Now I can go back in and do my depth. Now when I pull out, the hole will be clean. And the next guy or myself can come by and just basically push that dirt out without it falling in the hole. The hole should be perfectly clean, except for maybe one little dirt clod. But anyway, that's the tip. Hopefully you find it helpful.